Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet. Cars, DIY, and adventures. 1 week ago, I published a video that I was giving you some free upgrades for your Ford Maverick. Well, it's been a week, and I'm going to draw the winner and let you know who's winning the free mud flaps. Let's go. So I had no idea what to expect. I published this video. It didn't get a ton of views, 174 views. That's okay though. It's only been a week. And when you look at the comments, I had a total of 6 comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a pretty dang good chance to win these mud flaps. I printed a piece of paper with 6 numbers. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna pick who wins. And then based on the number, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will align it to the comment. Okay, I got all 6 in here, stapled together. I have no idea who's who. They'll all randomly put in here. I'm gonna shake this bad boy up a little bit. I'm gonna stop looking. And I'm gonna randomly put my hand in. I got 1. And look at that. It is the first comment, 1. Let's go see who that is. And I just want to show you that these were totally random. And these were all totally random, guys. I did not have the same number in here. There was 6, and this looks like it was 3. And then we had 4. So totally random. Congratulations to comment number 1, but who is that? Okay, so congratulations to Hattori Hanzo 28. That was the first comment and the random number I pulled from the bin. Hattori Hanzo 28. I will reply to your comment with my email. Shoot me your address and I'll get this in the mail for you next week probably, and you have it in a few days. Thank you everybody that entered. And for the other 5 people, I got something for you as well. A little gift of appreciation that I want to send your way that you can put in your car also. So I'll reply to your comments and ask you to email me your address and I'll send something to you also. So everybody, have an awesome day. This is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. I urge you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of these over the next couple weeks and months and would love to have you take part. And these are legitimate, guys. It's not some scam. It's not some bot. I'm not some rando that's just doing something weird. I got something. I put it in the mailbox. I ship it to you. That's it. That's all I want. I don't want anything from you. I just want you to enjoy something from jamzDOTnet. Have a great day.